Hello, in this video I will show you how to create light in text animation. So create a new design, take any format that you want, change background color and go to text, added a new text. I will create design, I will write design, change font to any font you want. I will choose like Legis Spartan font and resize it as I want. And go to effect, choose allow effect and duplicate text again. Change the effect for second text to any effect you want. I will choose neon effect, this one, and you can add the more intensity for your text and go to animate. I will choose this neon animation, choose both, and you can change the type of the lighting you want by character or by word or line or by element as you want. For me, I choose by word. And go to share to download your page. You can download it by GIF format or by video as you want. Download. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next tutorial.